Finally, PiNetwork entered Q1 stage. In the first quarter of this year, we expect a historic change in the Pi Open Network. This is an event attended by the world's largest global crypto community, and there is no doubt about its importance. However, this open network is not the final destination. It's the starting point where the true principles of game theory will come into play. On this long journey, we need to stay positive, be patient, and work together for the best results. Let's all stay strong and move towards achieving great success together. As the first quarter of the year unfolds, the PiNetwork community celebrates a monumental shift with the anticipated launch of the Pi Open Network. This event, heralded by the global cryptocurrency community, signifies more than just progress. It marks a transformative moment in blockchain history, ushering in a new era for decentralized networks. Pi Open Network, a new chapter in blockchain evolution. The launch of the Pi Open Network is more than a technical achievement. It is a historic milestone that cements PiNetwork's place as a leading force in the blockchain space. This pivotal step reflects years of collaboration, innovation, and the unwavering commitment of millions of pioneers worldwide. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that this launch is not the endgame. Instead, it represents the beginning, a gateway to the practical implementation of core principles rooted in game theory. These principles will shape a decentralized economy that operates on trust, transparency, and collective action. The global community, the backbone of PiNetwork's success. The strength of PiNetwork lies in its vast and diverse community of pioneers, united by a shared vision of building a more accessible blockchain ecosystem. The global reach and active participation of these pioneers have been instrumental in driving the platform's success and shaping its future potential. The open network phase offers an opportunity for this community to demonstrate its collective power, unlocking the true potential of blockchain technology. Through innovation and collaboration, PiNetwork aims to create a robust ecosystem that benefits both its members and the broader financial landscape. Keys to a promising future. As PiNetwork embarks on this new journey, it is vital to remain patient and optimistic. The road to success in the blockchain world requires persistence and the ability to adapt to challenges. Every incremental step taken as a community paves the way for significant advancements in the future. Pioneers are encouraged to stay engaged and contribute actively to the ecosystem's growth. By fostering a spirit of unity and resilience, the PiNetwork community can achieve its shared goals and set a benchmark for other blockchain projects. Building towards collective success. The launch of the Pi Open Network represents a monumental opportunity to showcase the transformative potential of decentralized systems. PiNetwork is poised to become a leader in the blockchain revolution, offering an inclusive and sustainable platform for its community and beyond. As we step into this new chapter, the importance of collaboration and collective effort cannot be overstated. Together, the community has the power to overcome any challenge and drive the platform toward unprecedented success. PiNetwork is not just another blockchain project. It's a global movement aimed at creating a brighter, more connected future. With the open network phase, the real journey begins, and the possibilities are boundless. Let's stay united, stay strong, and move forward to achieve greatness together. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.